Nepali Barhakhari. Namaste and welcome to my channel Learn Nepalese Language. Today you will learn Nepali Barhakhari. Nepali Barhakhari means 12 different sounds that are produced when each consonant letters are conjoined with 12 different vowel letters. Okay? In previous videos you have learned 36 consonant letters and also 13 different vowels letters. In Barhakhari only 12 letters will be used to produce 12 different sounds. Here, let me show you the list of 36 consonants. These are the list of 36 consonants where Roman Nepali has been written for the pronunciation purpose. And for vowels, here is the list of 13 vowels. And among these 13 vowels, re will be excluded while producing or while formulating different sounds. Okay, let me show you how 12 different sounds are produced while conjoining each consonants with 12 different vowel letters. Okay, now the first letter of consonant list is ka. When ka is conjoined with letter o, it will produce the sound ka. Each consonant letters when conjoined with first vowel letter o, the sound remains the same for each letters. In the similar way, when it is conjoined with a, it will produce ka. When conjoined with e, it will produce ki. When conjoined with e, it will produce ki. When conjoined with u, then it will produce ku. When conjoined with u, it will produce ku. When conjoined with a, it will produce k. In the similar way, when ka is conjoined with I, it produces the sound kai. Then with o, it produces ko. With au, it produces kau. With it produces kang. With aha, it produces kaha. Now, for the rest of the consonant letters and their 12 sounds, I have written it as a list of 12 sounds. Okay. For example, for consonant letter kha and its 12 different sounds or the Barhakhari, here are the list. You have to read from left to right row wise. Okay. Okay. Now let's start the pronunciation. The first Barhakhari is kha. Kya kha. It will remain the same for rest of other consonants also. When it is conjoined with vowel letter o, it will remain the same. The sound will be the same. Okay. Now the second Barhakhari is kha. 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 Khi. Khi. Khu. Khu. Khe. Khai. Kho. Khau. Khang. Khaha. In the similar way, for ga is ga, ga, gi, gi, gu, gu, ge, gai, go, gau, gang, gaha. For gha, 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 ghi, gi, gu, gu, ge, gai, go, gau, gang, gaha. Ngo, nga, ngi, ngi, ngu, ngu, nge, ngai, ngo, ngau, ngang, ngaha. Cha, cha, chi, chi, chu, chu, che, chai, cho, chau, chang, chaha. Cha, cha, chi, chi, chu, chu, che, chai, cho, chau, chang, chaha. Ja, ja, ji, ji, ju, ju, je, jai, jo, jau, jang, jaha. Jha, jha, ji, ji, ju, जु जे झै जो झौ झङ जह. Now य य या यी यी यु यु ये यै यो यौ यङ यह. ट टा टी टी टु टु टे टै टो टौ टङ टह. ठ ठा ठीठी ठु ठु ठे ठै ठो ठौ ठङ ठह. ड डा डी डी डु डु डे दै डो डौ डङ डह. ढ ढा ढी ढी ढु ढु ढे ढै ढो ढौ डङ डह. अन अना अनि अनि अनु अणु अने अनै अनो अनौ अनङ अनह. त ता ती ती तु तु ते तै तो तौ तङ तह. थ था थी थी थु थु थे थै थो थौ थङ थह. द डा दी दी दु दु दे दै दो दौ दङ दह. ध धा धी धी धु धु धे धै धो धौ धङ दह. न ना नि नि नु नु ने नै नो नौ नङ नह. प पा पी पी पु पु पे पै पो पौ पम पह. फ फा फी फी फु फु फे फै फो फौ फम फह. ब बा बी बी बु बु बे बै बो बौ बम बह. भ भा भी भी भु भु भे भै भो भौ भम भह. म मा मी मी मु मु मे मै मो मौ मम मह. य या यी यी यु यु ये यै यो यौ यङ यह. र रा री री रु रु रे रै रो रौ रम रह. ल ला ली ली लु लु ले लै लो लौ लम लह. व वा वी वी वु वु वे वै वो वौ वम वह. स शा शी शी शु शु शे शै शो शौ शङ शह. स सा सी सी सु सु से सै सो सौ सङ सह. Another sa sa si si su su se sai so sau sang sah. Ha ha hi hi hu hu he hai ho hau hang ha. Cha cha chi chi chu chu che chai cho chau छङ छह. त्र त्रा त्रि त्रित्रु tru, tre, trai, tro, trau, trung, tah. The last consonant letter is gya. Gya, ga, gi, gi, gyu, gyu, ge, gai, go, go, gung, gaha. Guys, now you have learned how to pronounce 12 different sounds that are produced when conjoining 36 consonant, each 36 consonant letters with 12 different vowel letters. Right? I hope you have enjoyed learning Barhakhari, and please keep on practicing the pronunciation. In next video, you will learn about greetings, which is also known as Avivadan in Nepali. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then please do like and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the notification bell icon. Thank you and dhanyavad.